Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a loc style takedown. We're going to be doing my loc style takedown number 2. I got flat twists on one side for my rope twist, and then but they still are rope twists. They're like flat rope twists. And then over here I got over here, and then at the bottom I got lock knots. If you watch my channel, you guys know that my hair is a lot longer than this, and if you don't watch my channel, you're new, welcome, and you're about to find out how long my hair is. So we're going to be taking these out today. It's been exactly no, it has not. Wednesday made 2 weeks and today is Saturday, and my hair doesn't look that bad. As y'all can see, it looks a lot better than it does on camera and than it does in person. In person it's a lot more frizzier and you really can't see my parts as much, because I know some of y'all probably like, why are you taking your hair down? It looks like kind of fresh, but my hair is actually pretty frizzy and pretty dry, and I'm over it. I need my hair washed in about a week to 2 weeks, so I want to enjoy my curly crinkly hair from my rope twist. So I'm ready to take it out. That was the easy part. Now I actually have to take my hair out, which is about to be stressful. Let me just give y'all my concerns. So my concerns when taking down this specific hairstyle is that based off me having these lock knots at the bottom, I'm kind of scared that my the consistency throughout my hair with, like, you know, I have twists in my hair, so whether it's locks or natural hair, I'm gonna have basically a twist out with my locks, and my locks are gonna be crinkly. But because of these lock knots at the bottom, I'm kind of worried that it's gonna be like a funky texture at the bottom versus the length of my hair that's just regularly twisted. This isn't a knot. It's twisted and then put in the knot, but I'm feeling like it's gonna be like a crazy curl at the bottom and then like crinkly and then crazy curl, just like where my lock knots were. So that is my concern when taking out this style, because who doesn't want to take out their lock style and actually get to enjoy another style? You know what I'm saying? Like, you want to be cute. So that's my concern. So that's what I'm gonna be looking for today when taking this style out. You wanna help me? Mm-hmm. Okay, don't be messing nothing up now. I got a little setup. It's a ghetto setup, but it's a setup.
It's a ghetto setup.
If you're new to my channel, this is my fiance Courtney. For all of y'all, y'all know Courtney, but for the new people, this is my fiance. She's the person who does my hair, so she's more important than I am, to be honest. If there was no her, there would be no me. Wow. You need this? I look cute.
Ow. Sorry. That hurt for real?
Yeah, you just stabbed me with the end of the comb.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Nah, I see what this is.
Suck my hand.
What is it? This one? Okay, so we got the first one out. Now you can see how long my hair is for the newbies. This is still twisted, so see? In comparison to them stopping like right here, I don't know. This is not going to give me the same effect as I get when I do my just regular rope twist. And that's my favorite way to wear my hair, is in my crinkles. So these are going to be a little funky, I feel. This makes me stressed out.
I don't think so.
I will see. Oh, here's my nails clacking together.
Click clack, come on.
I'm trying to show them the length of my hair for my new subscribers.
Oh, it's still short.
That's a hater. Do not keep haters around y'all. Like, don't do it. I don't like these ends. It's making me so sad.
You definitely should do the BMX challenge, babe.
Why?
Because you done had so many different hairstyles.
Look at this. Look at this. What is that? What is that? Bitch got bundles, literally, because I bought the hair.
Wow.
Courtney.
I'm putting them up there so you can reach them.
Yeah. Gently, shit. evil villain face. Like I would get cast as a villain.
Like Maleficent?
Yeah.
She wasn't really a villain though. She was just a hurt bitch.
My scalp's so nasty. It needs to be moisturized.
I got you. I got you.
You about to oil it for me?
Yeah, look, quick little something.
Okay guys, so my hair is out. As y'all can see, it doesn't look that bad. Like my hair is a lot shorter than it usually would be on its own, because my hair, when it's in rope twist and it comes all the way down, like rope twist just kind of like crinkle all the way out and come all the way down until be like here. But because my ends were of course in lock knots, my ends are a lot more spirally, as you can see, but it actually doesn't look that bad. Like all of my ends are like this. Yeah, it looks cute. I like it. I don't know, I'm trying to see if I want to wear it down. I was thinking about maybe like pinning it on one side so where it just kind of like falls in the back like that, but it's mainly like the attention is over here. I don't know, I really don't know what I want to do. I'm trying to see what I want to do because it's kind of cute, and I always wear my hair in a bun, and I'm not trying to be shitty, you know what I'm saying, but I like it. I like it a lot. So yeah, I'm gonna just, let me see if I can find some bobby pins. Found my bobby pins. Got these gold ones. I'm just gonna take my hair and just push it back. I'm trying to see if I want to pin it on like some, you know, like pin it all the way over here, or just pin it right here behind my ear. I feel like it'd be cute if I just put everything on one side.
Where you want to pin it up?
I'm gonna pin it like, I don't know, what you think? I need your opinion.
Okay.
Like here?
Yeah, back here would be best.
So she pinned it for me, y'all see? This side is gone. Everything's over here, looking all voluminous and va-va-voom. Amazing. Amazing grace.
Sweet. Sweet and fun. It's good. I like it. I like this a lot. Make me want to eat your butt.
Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another Loc Style Takedown. It's only my second one, but yeah, I haven't done one in a long time since I did the first one. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for checking out another one of my Loc Style Takedown videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.